Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Police Car Lite XDO airdrop incoming. TonxDao and Tonkeeper join forces. Get ready! Police Car Lite. Big news for the TON blockchain community. TonxDao has teamed up with Tonkeeper, the top wallet for TON users, and this partnership is about to shake things up in a big way. Get ready for an epic airdrop and a whole new level of integration that's designed to enhance your experience and grow the TON ecosystem. Collision: why this partnership is a game changer. In a major move to strengthen the TON blockchain, TonxDao and Tonkeeper have joined forces. This strategic partnership is more than just a collaboration, it's about pushing the limits of what the TON ecosystem can do. By working together, they're delivering an improved user experience, while also making it easier for TonxDao users to interact with everything the ecosystem has to offer. Party Popper TonxDao Airdrop. Get ready to claim your share. This partnership paves the way for an exciting $DAO token airdrop. By connecting your wallet to TonxDao, you'll be first in line to grab your share of these free tokens. This is a golden opportunity to maximize your crypto gains and solidify your spot in the TON blockchain community. Don't miss out, this airdrop could be huge. Link: seamless integration with Tonkeeper. The magic happens when TonxDao is integrated directly into Tonkeeper. Now, Tonkeeper users can explore TonxDao features right from the wallet's app section. This integration brings tons of convenience, allowing users to engage with the DAO, complete tasks, earn rewards, and dive deeper into the ecosystem, all without leaving the wallet they already trust. Money with Wings: earn $500,000 DAO tokens. How to get started? Here's the deal. To celebrate this awesome partnership, TonxDao is offering some seriously rewarding opportunities for users. By completing simple tasks, you could earn up to $500,000 DAO tokens in just a few quick steps. Open the TonxDao app. Tap the wallet icon in the top right corner. Connect your TON wallet and claim your rewards instantly. This is an amazing chance to earn some serious tokens while discovering more about the TonxDao ecosystem. Glowing star: why this partnership is so important. Streamlined experience. With TonxDao now accessible in Tonkeeper, users can enjoy a seamless experience without jumping between apps. Everything's right at your fingertips. Generous rewards. By completing simple tasks like connecting your wallet, you can unlock $DAO tokens, easy money for getting involved. Expanding ecosystem. This partnership is just the beginning. It signals a growing network of collaborations that will fuel innovation within the TON blockchain for the long haul. Crystal ball: what's next for TonxDao and Tonkeeper? This is just the start. With Tonkeeper now on board, the potential for TonxDao to expand and innovate is endless. The team is focused on bringing new features, building powerful partnerships, and empowering the community, so keep an eye out for even more exciting developments soon. Collision: don't wait. Connect your wallet today, start earning rewards, and get ready for the upcoming $DAO airdrop. The future of the TON blockchain